Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Hear that?
Oh yeah, I heard that. What is it?
I don't know.
It's coming from the attic.
Gear up.
Let's go gear up. Let's go gear up and try to catch whatever that is.
We might need some walkie-talkies. I
Yeah.
have a walkie-talkie like a line to my ear. You know, those
Let's gear up. I'm gonna gear up.
Tell you something.
Now, what should we do now? Oh, I have my walkie-talkie and I have my two Star Wars lightsabers.
I have my walkie-talkie hooked up to here all the way to my mouth and my sword and my super fire punch.
I heard it again. Let's go.
Okay.
There's the attic.
I'm gonna help you guys. And make sure to comment down below what is inside of here. Right now, or else I will eat your head off. And make sure to subscribe and
Okay, let's go
and
inside.
like this video.
Micah,
I want
let's go inside.
100.
Let's go inside the attic and see what's inside of there.
I found extra gear.
I'm going inside. Micah, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You open it and I battle.
Huh?
You open it and I battle, and then when you feel like you need to battle, you can do it.
All right, let's go inside the attic now. Oh yeah! It's just Nemo. He's always in here.
Nemo, you're gonna get a good.
Come on, Micah.
Weapon. A good butt weapon.
Now, since it was just Nemo.